Hey, what's up? This is Scott with Level Up Tuts, and today I'm going to be talking about Magento, and we're just going to do an overview of the Magento front end, just so you can sort of get used to it. So we installed Magento with the data that Magento, the sample data that Magento provides for you. So as you can see, we have some products here. We have some T-shirts, some shoes, some laptops. They are tagged all sorts of stuff, camera. Ho, 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 sexy, So all this data is already in our site here. If you are starting fresh, you're not going to have any of this, but it should sort of look like this still because you're using the main theme. In later lessons, we're going to go into theming and how you can really customize the appearance of your site. There's all sorts of ways you can do that. You can even buy themes and templates from all sorts of places online and install them easily and have a great looking site that way. So this is Magento. This is the home page with a 3-column layout. That's easy to change. You can always have this be a 2-column layout or whatever. The Magento built-in templates allow you to do that. As you can see here, the default layout is there's your search up here, your user account, my wish list, my cart, checkout, and login. And it says default welcome message. Oh, thanks, Magento. So here's all, this stuff is what users are going to see when they visit your site. If you have multiple language sites, you'll have this English, French, German. This demo actually comes with this setup, although I don't think there's any actual language changing when you're clicking these with the demo itself, but no biggie there. You can see there's also a built-in community poll here, which you can, make your own. We'll show you how to do that. So you're probably not going to want to keep any of this stuff around because, of course, it's not going to pertain to your site no matter what it is. So as you can see, but there's these little widgets here. This popular tags, community poll. This is a widget. You have my cart information, compare products. These are all things that you can move around, you can change or whatever. In our navigation, it's going to automatically do like a drop down here with your different categories. You can see there's subcategories. Let's actually go into one of these. If we click on shirts here, this is going to show us all of the shirts that are on our site. As you can see, it says shirts up here, and it also has this image. Each one of your categories can have an image at the top. You can have this all customized. This page can have its own layout separate from other ones. If you click apparel, it's going to give you everything under shirts, shoes, hoodies, all of this stuff at once. And as you can see, there's a custom header here. By default, it has these things. It has a product image, its name, its rating, price, add to cart, wish list, compare. You can even show how many you're showing on each page, or if you want to see it in a grid or a list. These are all great features that Magento just offers right out of the box. I haven't done anything to this other than install the sample data and use this base theme. You can also see there's the shop by, and it allows you to drill down into different categories. This is, again, all customizable, nice and easy to go. Okay, if we, let's go back to the home page here. Let's go to the My Account page. This is going to show you like users who have an account. Let's say they have their shipping information or payment information. If they want to have all that information in their account, this is where they would go to log in. I haven't made an account on here because I'm the admin, but I would suggest making an account on your site just to check it out. In fact, let's actually go through and make an account right now. We'll click create an account. Okay. And you can have a newsletter built in, so they can check to sign up for your newsletter if you'd like. I usually even leave that on there, especially if you're planning on using a newsletter to keep in touch with your clients. Okay, so let's see what happens once we create an account. Okay, yeah, sure, I'll save this password. Okay, so here is your account. This is what users will actually see when they make an account, saying, hey, you can change your password, update your billing address, you can change if you want to be on the newsletter or not. Even has your account information. Let's see, it's all sorts of stuff. Your orders, so anytime you purchase anything, these orders are going to be here. That way your clients can come back and look at their orders. They're downloadable products. If you have downloadable products on here, they can always click back into this and download it as many times as you have specified. my tags, my wish list, my product reviews. This is all a lot of stuff that your users can use to interact with your site, and they're pretty much standard features that you see in a lot of stores nowadays, like Amazon or any sort of thing where you're buying products online. So my wish list is pretty much what it sounds like. It actually takes you directly to this My Wish List tab under your account. If you want to use the wish list feature, your products will feature a wish list button. We can click this Add to Wish List, and then here it is. It's now in your wish list. You can share your wish list with other people. You can remove things. Let's go ahead and click this trash can to remove it. Yep, okay, we want that gone. Okay, so now there's nothing in our wish list. My Cart is just like any other site. When we add something to your cart, it shows up in My Cart here, where you can then go to either view your cart or check out. Let's add this laptop. This is actually your cart. If we click on this My Cart button, it's going to take us to the same page. So here is where your clients would enter their coupon codes, shipping information. You can set it up so it recommends some products. Let's say if you want to buy 2 of these, we can click Update Shopping Cart and then proceed to checkout. So in a normal situation, when your clients are buying things, or your customers are buying things from your site, it's going to give them this checkout form. And I'm not going to go over this right now. We'll go over this in later tutorials when we're setting up the whole checkout process. But it's pretty straightforward, just like any site you've used really. You enter your billing information, shipping method, and then payment information, and you click Submit. So this is really what Magento gives you. It also has a couple of pages here that are sort of your content management, your CMS pages. Not sure what's going on with this image. I'll have to check that out. But these are just sort of default pages that you can edit in the back end. Here's your About Us. Of course, it has some lorem ipsum in here. Customer service page. Sort of default templates. You can just go through and edit these. There's also a advanced search. These are all great things to be built into Magento, so you don't have to build them yourself later. Okay, so that is the Magento front end. In the next lesson, I'm going to be giving you a tour of Magento's back end. And that's actually going to take a couple of lessons because Magento's back end is awesome. It has a lot of things to do, a lot of things to see, and all sorts of things for you to configure. Okay, once again, this is Scott with Level Up Tuts. If you have any questions or comments, leave a comment on the video. Hit us up at Twitter at Level Up Tuts. Let me know what you want to see. Thanks for watching. Bye.